All right, guys, we've got this brand new foldable wagon. This thing's amazing. First, what I wanted to show you is how compact it gets. This thing, and this can come down too. So let's go ahead, pull that down so you can see that. So this thing can easily store in like the back seat. It can store in your trunk, and it can store compactly where it doesn't take up much space if you don't need it to. But say you're ready to expand this MFer, dude. This thing expands super rapidly. Look at that space in there. And then if we want to lock it down and make sure that bottom is nice and level, we can do that. The quality of these wheels, these tires are insane. It moves so smooth. Not only that, but you actually have a lock, just like that. And if you lock it, it ain't going anywhere. So that's good as well. What I want, and then you can also see with this handle, the way it adjusts down, it naturally flows with you. So that's very cool as well. Last thing I wanted to show, just because I like having fun with my dog, we're just going to put his bed in here, and I'm going to put him in there. Hey, come here. Come here, baby. This is what I see a lot of people in the neighborhood use it for. There he goes. Guys, this holds up to 360 pounds. If you don't get this, there's something wrong in the noggin.